I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because I just did it and it, for some reason, didn't record. I'm not real sure what I did wrong. Super quick. Algebra 1, maybe even pre-algebra review. We're going to add these two binomials. Parentheses aren't really needed. Just saying add this. They just happen to group them up. There's 10x minus 6. Okay. Here the parentheses are needed on that second one. They're just grouping up the first one. But they're saying subtract everything in here. And there's just subtraction signs and opposite. You know, we're going to take away the x. We're going to take away the 4y. We're going to take away the 3z. So 2x's minus another x, that leaves an x. 3y's minus 4y's, that's taking away a y. Negative z minus 3z, there's negative 4z. That's it. I'm going to distribute 2 of each of these. Distributive property is just multiplying. It's a way of multiplying. Well, it's a way of multiplying across the sum or difference. Same thing right there. We're going to multiply. So 3 to 4, 12. X squared times x makes x cubed. And then there's still a y. Plus 21. X squared y times y is y squared. Minus 18 x squared y. None of those are like terms. We stop. We're just distributing two things. What this means is you're going to distribute the 3x through that 2x minus 4. And then you're going to add in when you distribute the 2 through the same 2x minus 4. That's what that tells you to do. So I'm just going to do it all at once. There's 6x squared minus 12x plus 4x minus 8. We'll add up our like terms. We're good. Here, same thing. We're distributing the 2x through first. So 8x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x. Now we'll distribute the negative 3 plus 9x plus 27. So like terms, there's one. That's negative 18 of those. That's negative 9 of those. And we're good. Square roots. The square root of a fraction is a fraction of the square roots. It's just 7/9. Because what do you square to get 49 over 81? 7 over 9. So same deal here. This is the square root of 5 over the square root of 36. Don't know what the square root of 5 is. I do know what the square root of 36 is. I know the square root of 144 is 12. And they're telling me to put a negative out front. It's the opposite of the square root of 144. Square root of 28. 28 is 4 times 7. I know the square root of 4. I don't know the square root of 7. So it's 2 root 7. Now, another way you can do it is to break it down into its prime factors. And you hunt for pairs, because if you've got a 2 squared, you can do the square root of 2 squared. What do you square to get 2 squared? 2. So for everything you have a pair of, you pull one of them out. Anything you don't have a pair of, it stays under. The fastest way is to realize that's 25 times 2. 25 squared, that's 5. Still have the square root of 2. If you break it down to its primes, pair of 5s, brought it out. 72, again, quickest way is realize that's 36 times 2. So 6 on the square root of 2. Oops, I didn't circle that. But if you don't spot that right away, it might be faster to do this. Pair of 2s, pair of 3s. 2 times 3 on the square root of 2. There's what 6. 480. I guarantee you I can figure this out faster than I can go through all the perfect squares and hunt for one. Two times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 times 5, 6 times 5 is 30. So really what this would have been is 16 times 30, because what gives you 4 is a square root of 16. But I just really think that I would have been able to do that quicker. So, okay.